The Leroy-Selmon Expressway is an important limited-access highway linking Interstate 75 and eastern Hillsborough County to Gandy Boulevard and Dale Mabry Highway in South Tampa. It is also a primary commuter route to downtown Tampa, the West Shore Business District, and MacDill Air Force Base, with local access to Hyde Park, South Tampa, and the Port of Tampa, as well as the commercial and industrial enterprises to the east along State Road 60. During the past 15 years, ever-increasing traffic has resulted in severe congestion for thousands of daily expressway commuters, and planners forecast even more traffic as communities in eastern and southern Hillsborough continue to grow. Most of the commuters are going to and from downtown Tampa, which, along with historic Ybor City, is experiencing an extraordinary renaissance with the development of many new business, cultural, and leisure destinations. The expressway's ability to safely and efficiently move traffic into and out of Tampa is essential to the continued growth of the downtown, the emerging eastern waterfront, Ybor City, the expanding port, and the many exciting redevelopment ventures underway in and around the urban center. To relieve chronic rush hour congestion for commuters without acquiring valuable commercial and industrial property, the Expressway Authority has developed a unique solution to add capacity in the existing expressway corridor. East of I-75, the new Brandon Parkway will lead to a new reversible bridge over the interstate and 9 miles of reversible lanes in the middle of the expressway, connecting to an impressive new gateway into Tampa's downtown waterfront and Ybor City. With planning underway for future highway improvements on the west leading to the Gandy Bridge and Interstate 275 in Pinellas County, and a connection to Interstate 4 now under design, the expressway will be a major link in the regional highway system. At the east end in Brandon, 3 miles of generously landscaped access roads and a new recreation trail designed through extensive public involvement and community dialogue will create a beautiful gateway to and from the expressway. From the Brandon Parkway to downtown Tampa, the new reversible lane facility will carry express traffic on an elegant 3-lane bridge constructed in the middle of the existing expressway. In the morning, the bridge will be one-way from Brandon and I-75 to downtown Tampa, which will more than double the expressway's capacity. The elevated lanes will be for cars and express buses only and will have no toll booths. Instead, toll collection will be by SunPass, Florida's electronic toll system, providing safe, non-stop service to downtown, while the lanes below provide uncongested travel to numerous other destinations along the expressway. Later in the day, the express lanes will be reversed for one-way traffic in the opposite direction, quickly and efficiently carrying commuters home from work. The bridge will also be an open-air laboratory for new concepts in highway safety and a prototype for 21st century transportation facilities. Its unique design includes a usable hollow core that will provide an ideal environment for concealing utilities, fiber optics, and specialized equipment to improve safety and traffic flow. Video cameras will continuously monitor the expressway so that assistance can be dispatched immediately from a transportation management center in the event of an accident or vehicle breakdown.
Copy 65.
The weatherproof interior will also allow for testing of new highway safety devices now being developed by vehicle manufacturers around the world. Construction of the bridge will begin with the placement of graceful piers in the expressway median to support the elevated bridge deck that will be fabricated in segments at an off-site factory. Weighing about 70 tons each, the 59-foot wide bridge segments begin at the factory as a cage fashioned from steel reinforcing bars. The steel skeletons will be placed in a computer-controlled casting machine next to an already formed segment. Concrete will then be poured into the form. Casting the segments side by side in the machine assures that the pieces will fit precisely when the bridge is assembled at the construction site. Once the concrete hardens, trucks will deliver the segments to the expressway, where they will be installed during times when traffic is typically light, so that customers will not be inconvenienced by the construction. A steel truss will be placed between the piers to temporarily support the segments while they're being assembled. allowing all of the work to be performed from above without affecting traffic on the roadway below. The segments will be lowered onto the truss and pulled together with steel cables inside the bridge. The temporary support will then be moved to the next set of piers. This efficient, economical construction method will produce an aesthetically pleasing structure of superior quality and durability while minimizing delays for customers. Motorists will be able to enter the reversible lanes at the new gateways in Brandon and Tampa, and to move between the reversible lanes and the existing expressway on ramps at 4 other locations. Variable message signs near the gateway entrances and on the ramps will display whether the reversible lanes are open or closed. Gates will block wrong-way access to the reversible lanes, and a safety net will guarantee that drivers cannot enter the reversible lanes in the wrong direction. If a vehicle were to break through the gates, the safety net, using technology adapted from aircraft carriers, will stop the wrong-way vehicle without injuring its occupants. In downtown Tampa, the reversible bridge will descend to Meridian Street at the north end of the Channelside area. 5 existing city streets will be extended or modified to intersect with Meridian, creating greatly improved access into and out of the city. Now, a narrow 2-lane street through an aging industrial district, Meridian will be transformed into a spectacular downtown gateway, a park-like boulevard into the rapidly redeveloping eastern waterfront. Visually exciting and pedestrian-friendly, the reborn Meridian will offer excellent access to Ybor City, downtown destinations, the Ice Palace, the cruise ship terminals, the Florida Aquarium, and many other new entertainment and leisure attractions. Another significant transformation resulting from the Expressway projects will be an unprecedented environmental restoration in Tampa Bay, the rehabilitation of a damaged estuarine ecosystem within its natural setting. To replace about 12 acres of wetlands lost due to the new roads in Brandon, the Expressway Authority will contribute to an innovative restoration program, which will recreate and manage up to 40 acres of interconnected fresh and saltwater habitats, nature's formula for nurturing aquatic plants, fish, and other marine life native to Tampa Bay. Designed in cooperation with area environmental agencies, this life-sustaining renewal of a once productive estuary will be a continuing reflection of the Expressway Authority's commitment to enhancing the quality of life for the entire region.